Okay, what's that question?
So,
Sorry.
are,
So are deeper connections and personal meaning now a bigger priority?
ay ka. Ikaw, James. Lalo, mura mo ginulo. Affected kasi ay.
Not really. The question is very ano, kanang suitable for me because like I feel like at 40 man ang topic, di ba? Like at
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
40. Like
Yeah.
for me it's like really kanang evident because like especially with me like I'm single right now and like probably it's because of choice. But like I'm looking forward already to have connection and like especially like assessing feelings from different people like friends like
Mm-hmm.
family and stuff like that so like I always like make myself believe that like your emotions and feelings should be validated and like getting where you feel value ka or basically because I'm just like by myself here and then wala ko kanang family here so like I always value the my emotions and like i-validate ko in a way
Mm-hmm.
and yeah basically it's because kanang wala lang guro ko yung someone but at as you reach the age I feel like you have everything naman guro like basic needs food shelter like whatever like pero at this age muna na yung I feel ako muna na yung important thing like at the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, what they said, like I'm on the stage of like love and belongingness. Like alis, man ako atong basic
Mm-hmm.
commodity like food, whatever man ako atos like I'm jumping in to like love and belongingness, and probably after that self actualization type of thing.
Mm-hmm. But na quick question, James.
Sure.
Okay.
For the past few years, no?
Mm-hmm.
Kita andi ka like nikalit ra ka kanang sigig travel like nikalit lang gid ba? Like suddenly um surge gani. I would say surge because
Mm-hmm.
like bago ram ko nakakita. Maybe you didn't post before but at least by the time I think that the past after COVID I think like grabe kayo
Yes,
mo.
yes, that's correct.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So since we're talking about deeper connection, during that travel, na ba yung mga deeper connection nga imong na meet?
Deeper connection with people, right?
Yes. Or pwede sad ka nang inakay na I do not know if na consider ba na nimo as falling in love during that time. Or naa ba kay I don't know, na kay nakita you found someone.
Really, sa travel, not really. Because like when I
Yeah.
travel, I travel like for I like akong kuan ba? Ako, it's leisure for my happiness, but I don't really like travel like kind of like I'm gonna say it like kind of like hitting up people in a bar or like
Mhm.
maglag like sa hostel in Ana. But
Mhm.
I guess it's just a choice. But like of course like there are like people na imong ma-meet sa imong travel
Yeah,
and then you connect with them and like you still message them until now I have friends na meet
that's
sa
true.
mga hostels and then I still connect with them. Like but not really deeper in a way that it goes into intimacy. But like in a way
Mhm.
deeper in terms of like friendship. Yeah, there is. Yeah, I could tell.
Mhm. So,
It's
yeah,
makuha
that's
tubig
true.
na kay uhaw.
Why
Wait lang.
problema?
Yeah.
Why problema? So, I can why I asked this because I think I mentioned this
Apollo, say
earlier.
hi.
Hi, Apollo.
Apollo, say hi.
Siya siya.
Bisaya man among error. Hi, Apollo, oy.
Kana mo matiyog na na.
Bisaya man siya.
So, balik lang ko sa kuan nga sa una that is like mag naakoy ka ng how do I say kana ganing sige travel. We actually meet in our recent na ko story no and then I don't think ako ba na siyang gibutang sa Facebook. I don't think I posted anything but the same said sa giingon ni James nga inig travel nimo daghan kay kang maikitan and this story is actually about very and I really want to share this kay very siya kanang unsa nang serendipitous sakto ba na nga term so when we
Serendipity.
went to more ana ba kay niadto mig Germany And I nakaadto na ko Germany si Ara wala pa, and then ganahan ko nga makita siya sa Neuschwanstein. Kanang castle sa Disney nga where it's designed from or based from
Asa gali na siya, Chan?
sa Hohenschwangau sa Germany, sa Bavaria na siya, Bavaria.
Ah.
So na siya sa bukid.
Kita na sa
And
kanang Instagram profile ba asa dapat Germany.
Bavaria na sa Munich ba? Magikan ka sa Munich. So ako kapihan ako
Malapit sa
nakaadto,
Munich.
and then ganahan gyud kay mi moadto. Pagpadung na mo didto, and this is where the story starts. Na cancel ang train. And to make the story a bit shorter, namin naila-ila nga couple, and also the lady was Pinoy, and ni sunod ra sila namo kay di sila kabaw unsaon pag adto sa place. And since kapila naman ko kaadto, ko it's okay tudluan ta mo unsaon. Even kanang masaag sa train, ko okay, it's okay kabaw ko unsaon pag adto, kabaw ko unsaon pagbalin sa mga train. And then ako niingon tong babae, kay Tagalog man siya, ko pwede mo kuyog mi, pwede sama kami. Ko sige, sure. But they're already US citizens. So nagstorya mi sa train, blah blah blah, nalipay sila, ila pa may gibayaran sa taxi kasi nikabot ni mo dito, masakay ba kag taxi para mabot sa castle dapit. Sila pa ni bayad sa taxi, they're very happy, and then nag-change mig DMs and everything. I mean, nag-change mig Insta. After that, since mo adto mig Paris, pag adto na mo Paris, of all the things that happened, no? Nagkita pagid mi dito. And just to make the story like I said, like serendipitous, is kung nami gibuhat, kung wato na mo gibuhat, di gid mi magkita. And basically nadugay niingon pag ako pag ito yung reason nga nakapadugay, and then nagkita, uy guys, oy na. The very weird part and the very serendipitous part is pareha pag big hotel. Like pareha big
Destinito
hotel.
siya.
Grab,
Destinito
like
like,
exactly, so grabe kay ba. So I do think in like that's why I always tell people travel, because you experience these things, no? I experience it in a lot of places. That's why nangutan ako ni James about ani kay lingaw gyud kayo para nako nga nakay makila-ila in other nationality. I've been to Africa. I really like the people there. I've been to other places, and si Ara said kay friendly magana siya, daghan kay sa friends from other places. Niadto ganin na sila sa among kasal. And yeah, I mean by 40, I think for me that's true. Importante siya. For me that's also kind of priority. Mo to ningon ko ganina earlier nga, it's not really more about like atong be true to yourself. Kay usahay maka how do you call that? Makakuan mo ka, makatalbog mo ka sa ubang tao, and then you might sever that connection ba. So I rather let that connection grow and that relationship grow kaysa musika ako mong ko ingani mong ko anana para nako kasabot na tana at this age.
yeah.
So Ken, ikaw.
Hi, Ken.
Hi, James. Sabi, ang connect, I think, now nga, kanang, wala bito ko'y relationship for the longest time. I think, karon mo
Well, di ko mo to.
Ala, di siya ito.
Di ko mo to, Ken.
Yeah, you told him to. Yeah, because, yeah.
Isa
Actually,
itong babae di ay katong imong kakuan.
Hala.
Nakita na ko lately. Kasi alam ko Siargao. You went to Siargao.
Yeah, ako to anak.
Iya to
Oh.
anak, uy.
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Oh, imo to anak?
Yeah. Dalaga,
Oh,
dalaging. So, actually, karon nga, wa ko uyab for the longest time. Karon ba ko ka suway og deeper connection sa akong self ba? Okay. Before, ikaw, James, di ba, kabakaran nyo kay uyab, mas nakay time to think about, nga, hindi akong gusto mo, hindi akong gusto.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
before mo good, to be honest, for high school siguro to, sa high school na ako uyab pero niya, usahay magdungan ba?
Grabe, grabe.
Ala, now I
Ala, ala, ala,
know.
ala, ala.
Ayun,
Ala, ala.
lagi na tara dyan ba? So, ano ito, ano ito, karon, I'm not forcing myself to look for someone just to have someone. Uh, I'm putting myself in solitude because kanang I kanang mas na-appreciate ako ang self ba. Mas natagaan ako kanang importance. So,
Mhm.
mas na-focus ko karon sa kanang mo gid ni akong gusto. So, by the time kanang karon ko realize nga by the time kung makakita ko or naay mo abot na someone, I'll be someone that is someone is looking for. So, so something like that. Yeah. Pilalawang ba?
Nice.
Belong kayo to that. I'll be someone that someone is looking
Love
for.
ito, love ito,
Be
Ken.
someone that
Love,
someone is
God,
looking for. Yan.
Loved it.
Ikaw, Bads. Unsa man imong deeper connection, deeper to the Marianas Trench man siguro na imo ha.
Actually sa ako nga ko ano, para lang ako sa atong age karon murag kapoy na mo ng mga duwa ang like char or pling feeling ka na ko good morning
No,
or
no mind games na, diba? We don't want that shit. Like, we don't want that shit. Like, you have to be just upfront. Do you like me? Are you attracted to me? If not,
Actually,
next question, or I'm gonna go to the next restaurant.
yeah.
Tinood na.
Wala na nang nga kuan sa atong age karon nga pa-char unsa ba? Basta ang ako lang is anang when you find someone na kuha na kanang lahi ang imong happiness ganing nga ma-feel, stick to that na lang. Kay para nako indot jud kay kanang ma-single ka. Lahi ang kuan sa single nga makabuhat ka sa imong gusto, maka-adto ka sa lain place nga way magbuot. Pero once you someone na hindi ko ka-explain na maka-touch yun mo, maka-change makakuha sa yeah.
Kana makaingon ka ba? Di ka gana mo lakaw kay gusto ka mo kuyog ra niya.
Oh yeah.
Hasta la mía.
I mean, itself na
Pwede.
deeper connection.
That's true. To be honest, a quick story na sa no. So, ako di man gyud gumayo ka ng uyab-uyab. Tinuray lang. I mean daghan ko like kung daghan ka ng uyab.
Matudlo ko be.
Si Ken yung siya more gadungan-dungan matod pa na.
Timingan, Roy. Timingan, Roy.
No, my point was di man gyud ko, let's say like kung si Ken daghan kay stanag ka nang nauyab. Daghan kay ko sa tanan og kanang nabasted. So by the time nga and mo agree ko atong gingon ni James nga by that kanang at this they actually dili 40 kano sa may nagkita balik ni Ara. I think I was 33. That's what I literally did, James. Like what literally you said. Nga walay unsa man ganahan ka kanana na. That's literally what I said. Like
yeah, because wala na may what's the point? Di naman ta bata, di ba? It's like, if you like me, if you're attracted to me, let's carry on, let's move forward, let's discuss. Pero kung dili ka, mangita ko glain kay murag oras pas kwarta, sige pa gasto sa restaurant, and ending wala ra dito may tabo like dude, good luck, like pauli samok.
So na ko'y pangutana James, unsa man na based on experience na siya, ayay ka.
Buka mo kay James, sorry ay.
Lagi, grabe kayo ba, like po, with feelings kayo.
Yeah, I experienced this, like, pero like, katong ako, kaning mga, kasi yung name sa isa, sorry. Hello, girl. Kasi yung name sa isa kagad, di ko kaila.
Unsa sa isa?
Ang girl ba na girl?
Miss A, si Miss A na siya. Si Miss A.
Yung mga kay, like, kasi, like, lahi ba yung hetero o like homo, di ba? So, like, Samoa is like really different. So, like, I don't know if you have friends na like homo. So it's like difficult with us because like one pod like lahi pod kung imong uyab or something puti. Like lahi jud na siya
Mhm.
like ang puti. Like with me sa akong mga na-experience like blunt case sila. Like for example, like ganahan sila kanang not really necessarily na i-lay out na nimo ang cards for inyong first meeting. But like, maklaro man gud nimo ilang body language man good. So muna
Mhm.
kung
Mhm.
very evident kayo kung ganahan sila nimo or dili. But the thing is like, as you go along, makita nimo and musturya gid sila like I don't like this, I don't like
Okay.
that, and I as
Okay.
in maklaro gid kayo. So muna, kaya in a way, I've been here for 13 years, no? So in a way,
Mhm.
na-adapt na ako ang ilang cultural in terms of like that. In ana.
Mhm.
So like mo na maingon ko Pilipinas or something na makita. Recently, I went to Cebu like pag May.
Mhm.
I nakita ko someone and then like I told him like I'm moving back to Canada in a week, and like
Mhm.
if you're interested, like let's meet after this like meeting and and then if they delay, okay, let's not just stop it. Okay, what's the
Uh-huh.
point?
Mhm.
Pero niya ko niya, look, I know it's long distance, but the thing is like I'm telling you unsay mga possibility, unsay mahitabo because like I don't wanna waste my saliva by my time talking to you if like there's no possibility that you would like long distance relationship type of thing. Actually, ingnan. And then, naman siya na, it's okay. Mura siya misakay gali. Then, in the long
Mhm.
run dito, pag-abot na ko diri kay,
Wala day.
wala na ko gini-reply sa Instagram. Please, tira. But
Gigos day
it's
ka day,
okay.
grabe.
The ghost na ko. But ano ko like, oh, it's okay. I told myself, it's okay. It's his loss. It's not my
Yeah.
loss. Like, I still have to
Yeah.
carry on with my life even without him. But the thing is, like, ano ko like, okay, weird. Bro,
Kuya one day kung tinudon.
kuya, what is that?